Hello, my name is Daniel Jimmy King and I will show you my contacts project part 1. We're starting the server.js file. I set the ports, the 3000 for local environment and the other one for a production environment. I use a middleware which will require the routes folder, and I initialize my application using the initdb function from our database.js file. On the left side, you will see that I follow the MVC architecture. I have the controllers folder, the data, and the routes. And also I have the .env file, which holds the Mongo string URL to make the connection with our database, and the .gitignore to not publish our .env file to GitHub. So going to the database.js, I have two functions. The first function makes the connection with our database. Here in the first part, I check if I have an active connection already. If it does, it will return the database connection. If it doesn't, it will use the Mongo string URL to make the connection from our .env file, and it will put that connection into a database variable, and it will return the database. If it fails, it will return an error. And the second function, it will check if there is an active connection already. If it does, it will return the database connection, and if it doesn't, it will just return an error message. I will go to the routes folder. We have the index.js file. Here I have two paths, two routes. The first one is the base path, will display the hello world message, and the second one will require the contacts file in the routes folder. In this contact.js file, I import the contacts.js file from the controllers folder, and I create two routes. One will use the getAll function, and the other one use the getSingle function. We can go to the controllers folder, and here I have both functions, the getAll and the getSingle. Here I just made the connection with the database, I access the database, and I access the collection named contacts, and I will find for all the data in that collection. I will convert it into a JSON format, and I will send two responses, and I will send the contacts data. Here we do pretty much the same. The only difference is we use an ID from where? From the URL. So I extract the ID from the URL in this part, and I will use that ID to find the specific document in my collections. And I will convert to the JSON format, and I will send that to the app. I can go to the render environment, and I set the environment variable, my Mongo string URL, and we can open that page, and you will see here that it's working. In the production environment, we can go to the contacts path, and it will show the contacts folder, the contacts collection. And we can look by single ID. I can use that ID, put in the URL, and it will display the single contact document. And with that, my program is working in a production environment. It has all the key details, and that should be all. Thank you.